Step number 10, this is when our little guy come alive. As you can see here, we'll work on the helmet and the general shape of the face. Okay, we'll make the big nose and the cheek. So let's get at it. So at around 1 centimeter, we'll make a line. Okay, which is the bottom of the helmet. So same technique as I used before. I push with my finger here, put my pencil where I want to be, and then I just go all the way around the face. Okay, and then in the middle of it, I'll do exactly the same thing. Good. So you should have a rectangular shape going all the way around. So from here we'll make stop cut all the way, following both of these lines, using the technique that you feel like you're most comfortable with. I just prefer this one. Good. Same thing here. There we go. Okay, so we will cut from below and from above, all around. So this will make the face, and then we have the side, and then the back of the head for the hair. Good. Same thing from the top. Okay, there we go. So now it looks like a train driver or something like this. So we will round all the way around here. So we have all these little edges all around, right? So from there I do a cut in an angle, pop the wood like this, all the way around on each single corner. Alright, now we have created 2 more corners on every single one of them. So I do that again. From here, looking at the top, as you can see, it's pretty square, but it's getting in. So I will do 1 more on all of these corners. Okay. When I look at the shape, there's a little bit more angle, but it's pretty circular. So from there, against the grain, like cutting into butter. You need a sharp knife for that. And soft wood. Then I go around like so. Really round the edge. Okay. And then from there, I don't know why, like this it doesn't really work, but with this technique, I just, with a little wiggle from side to side, I just remove the end grain. Okay. And by the same way, removing the pencil line. There we go. So we have the helmet. Now for the face. So depending if you want to have a big nose, a small nose, a long nose, that's up to you to put the line where you want it to be. If you want to have a thin nose, you can put a small nose, you can put the line higher. If you want a long nose, you can put the line lower. I will put it pretty much not in the middle, a little bit above, like here. And then I will do a step cut on the line. From here, if you want to have a thin nose or a thick nose, it depends on the depth that you will give here. Here we'll have big nose, so I will carve pretty deep under the nose, a bit more even. Yeah, I think that looks good. Great. So we can see the depth of the nose here. Okay. So from here on each side, we'll do a stop cut. Okay. On one side, another one on this side. Okay. From there, like the body in the front, like the body in the back, we'll do a cut in. Important is not to have the blade go in. Okay. So that will create the eye socket. Like so. I think that's deep enough. Same thing on this side. Rotate the figurine and then change your grip. And then remove the wood. Okay. Good. I have a little bit here that I want to remove. Great. So we have the big nose. It's pretty square, but it's there. So from here, we will make a little cut on each corner and remove it. Okay. Same thing on the other side. There we go. And there we have these, it's pretty hard to see for you probably, but these two little corners here. Okay. So from the corner there, I'll go in an angle to meet this corner here. I go there and then I cut in the corner. Like so. I'll do the same thing on the other end. There we go. So from there I look at the nose and I try to see if it's pretty symmetrical, which it is right now, so that's good. I would just remove the ugly wood texture here. Okay. So now for the cheek. We have sort of created a line here and then the same on this side, right? So for the cheek, I do a straight line in an angle from the corner of the nose, the little chip that we removed. Then we have these lines from the beginning. Right now I'm using them. to go all the way to there. Okay. And then after that we'll have a line going parallel to the one we've done with the cut, like so. So that would be the cheek. And then with the tip of my knife I go in and make a V-cut. Remember that the line on a V-cut is the middle. This side, okay? Then from here, same thing, I go in, pop the wood, and then I change side, then I go in, and then I pop the wood. Okay? Then we just have to finish here. So I go in and make a V-cut, pop the wood here, same thing at this side, pop the wood here. Okay, so here we have the helmet, the cheek, the nose. One thing I will do right now is just remove the ugly texture and the pencil line all the way around the helmet, because I don't really like that. Readjust a little bit. Here we go. That was step number 10. One last step to go.